It's easy to take our belongings for granted in today's world, and cars are no exception. But once in a while, we come across a special car. One that's worth more than just a mode of transportation. That's when we turn to the experts at Tailored Auto Styling to protect our investment. Being the go-to place for car protection for over a decade, their attention to detail and craft is second to none. Every surface and every detail gets the utmost consideration, and it shows in the final result. When you own a car that means something to you, it's important to protect it. Don't settle for less when it comes to protecting your investment. Tailored Auto Styling. Your ride, tailored for you.